From homeless to millionaire, the confidence secret. The coldest night of his life. It was the dead of winter in New York City. The wind howled between the buildings, and the temperature had dropped below freezing. James Carter, a 27-year-old man with nothing but a tattered coat and a worn-out backpack, sat on a park bench, staring at the city skyline. His stomach growled, his hands were numb, and his eyes burned from exhaustion. This wasn't the life he had imagined. Just 3 years ago, he had a decent job, an apartment, and a fiancée. But a few bad financial decisions, a failed business, and a painful breakup left him with nothing. That night, as he shivered, he overheard two businessmen walking past him. One of them laughed and said, "Confidence is everything. If you don't believe in yourself, why would anyone else?" Those words hit James harder than any rejection or failure ever had. What if confidence was the only thing keeping me from success? The moment everything changed, James decided right then. He was done being invisible. He wasn't going to let the world look down on him anymore. The next morning, he cleaned himself up as best as he could at a public restroom, stood in front of a mirror, and told himself, "You are not a homeless man. You are a millionaire in the making." He walked into a coffee shop, approached a stranger, and confidently asked for a job. Not for money, just an opportunity to prove himself. The cafe owner hesitated, but saw the fire in James's eyes. He gave him a 1-week trial. James worked like a man possessed. He showed up early, left late, and treated every customer like they were the CEO of a Fortune 500 company. Within a month, he was promoted to a shift manager. But he wasn't done yet. The hustle that made him rich? Every night after work, instead of sleeping on the streets, James spent hours at the public library. He devoured books on sales, business, and personal development. He studied the greats Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Steve Jobs. One day, while serving coffee, he overheard a customer complaining about how expensive real estate photography was. James saw an opportunity. He saved up $200 from his small paychecks, bought a second-hand camera, and started offering real estate agents affordable, high-quality photos. At first, nobody believed in him, but James didn't let that shake his confidence. He knocked on 100 doors, got 99 rejections, but landed one client. That one deal led to another. In 2 years, he built a real estate photography business, generating $500,000 a year. By year 5, he had expanded into digital marketing and started investing in properties. The confidence secret. One day, as he walked past that same park bench where he had once slept, he realized something. The difference between the old him and the new him wasn't money, connections, or luck, it was confidence. Confidence gave him the courage to ask for a job. Confidence made him stand tall when others doubted him. Confidence turned every no into fuel for his success. James Carter, once homeless, now sat in his penthouse overlooking New York City, knowing that the real wealth wasn't just in his bank account, it was in his mind. And the best part? Anyone can build this kind of confidence. It starts with one decision: believing in yourself before the world does.